Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, and I'm standing on board our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Now, this is the middle child of the Vantage line, but unlike some forgotten middle child, this is an incredible family boat. This particular model here in Sarasota starts off with 225, the new model of V6s from Mercury. Those motors are fantastic. If you're ever afforded the opportunity to get on a boat and get in front of those motors, it is a wonderful treat to be on that boat. Just feel how they run. They're even more fuel efficient than the crop that came before them. In addition, Mercury puts their hydraulic steering on that boat, and it's a complete package with the digital controls. It takes fantastic care of you. Now, one thing you hear us talk about in these videos a lot is the fish package. What does it mean to have a fish package on a boat? Because this one has it, so let me show you. One of the first things you notice is across the transom, you have 4 stainless rod holders. That's not a rack, they're individual, they're placed beautifully, and they're done well. It also gives you a raw water washdown. What does that mean? That is a pump that pulls salt water from the water you're in, runs it pressurized through a hose. That's phenomenal for cleaning everything from dog hair to spills to fish blood for those of you that are actually going to fish hard, and just cleaning it off the deck without wasting your valuable fresh water that you're going to use when you need to rinse something more important off or use the bathroom perhaps. In addition, another part of this fish package is the live well here under the seat. On many 27s, this can be storage, but in this case, you have a fully operational live well, pitch well, gives you plenty of room for the fish you need to hold. You're gonna see pretty much all your 27s with the rod holders here on the hardtop. That's relatively common. This boat's got a few other options though. Aquarium countertop, something we really like that looks very pretty. And you're gonna see one of 2 brackets here. These are for tables. So this particular boat has a cockpit table in the rear and a table forward in the bow. Also hidden under the gunnel, just above where I showed you the raw water, is a battery charger. What that means is if you have just partied hard with the family, or God forbid your boat has been sitting a few months, instead of jumping your batteries, run an extension cord, plug the boat in, get a happy boat again. You guys know I love whaler seating, and this is why. They pad this right here so you have a lounger, but some people don't do well with running and facing backwards. Whalers thought of you as well. When you saw when I opened up the live well, you've got a rear rest. Gives you an opportunity to still lounge but face forward for when the boat's in motion. Of course, those folks that are going to be hanging out here, you can see the 2 cup holders there, 2 more forward. Boston Whaler has your back when it comes to entertaining. There's no way around it. You'll notice we're missing a GPS, or what we call electronics, at the dash. This is something we're going to customize that you want, whether it's a Raymarine brand, a Garmin brand that your dad had, something else. We're going to do that based on you, and cup holders at the helm as well. In fact, they're everywhere on this boat. And then finally, to add to the family air, this boat is open in the front. Deep sides make you, make children, even youngsters feel very secure up front, but the seating is it's amazingly comfortable. Cup holders again, storage here. There's actually quite a substantial storage that runs underneath the dash, gives you about 5 feet in length. Right now I've got it full of my cushions forward and such. Nice place. And then this particular boat is optioned out with a windlass. If you don't want to be scrambling over the people in your family, the guests that are on board, but you need to set an anchor at a sandbar, this is invaluable. Incredibly nice, and Whaler has thought through the idea of fresh water at the bow, so you have another spot there. Guys, this is our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. If you are looking for a premier family boat to put you guys on the water for the long term, we're standing on it. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and we will see you soon.